This is our aftermath of our blizzard. It's my dog in the snow cutting a trail because it snows so deep. There's Sandy trying to go potty. The snow is so deep. You can see my car is covered in snow. You can see across the street, just the snow is several feet. Her weight doesn't push all the snow down, so it looks like the snow's not very deep there, but it actually is. If I was to go out there, it would be waist deep. So I just want to give you a little aftermath of a blizzard. How hard my dog's having a hard time to even cut the trail that she's on. But I just wanted to, oh, look, she made a number 9. Or a back upside down V. Anyway, just wanted to show you a little bit of what we endured last couple of days. Snow on the motorhome. Okay, guys. Bye.